Jkids.
The tiny crumbs of Chametz, let us clean, clean, clean. Not a single piece of Chametz will be seen, seen, seen. Pesach is getting closer every day, day, day. Son of Matzah I will eat, hurray, hurray, hurray. But my Matzah on Pesach do we eat, eat, eat. The Jews left Egypt, walked in the heat, heat, heat. The dough they made just had no time to rise, rise, rise. So we turned into Matzah to their great surprise. Pesach Seder, each and every year. The Matzah jingle, in every Jewish home you hear. A tradition, a very special gift. The mitzvah to eat matzah will give you faith a lift. Pesach Seder, each and every year. The Matzah jingle, in every Jewish home you hear. A tradition, a very special gift. The mitzvah to eat matzah will give you health a lift. Stocks of feet so perfect form, but filled we get. Grind it and make sure it won't get wet, wet, wet. The water that we use, we need to store. Put it in giant jugs. The night before, flour and water in a bowl. We need. Then we roll the matzah at a high speed. You have just 18 minutes to prepare. Enjoy your matzah, please handle with care. Pesach Seder, each and every year. The Matzah jingle, in every Jewish home you hear. A tradition, a very special gift. The mitzvah to eat matzah will give you health a lift. Pesach Seder, each and every year. The Matzah jingle, in every Jewish home you hear. A tradition, a very special gift. The mitzvah to eat matzah will give you health a lift. The mitzvah to eat matzah will give you faith a lift.